Hey guys, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to another video. And I truly believe this is probably one of the most important videos that you'll watch on my channel to date. I know that's a bold statement, but you're going to realize why throughout this video, and especially at the end of this video once you get the education that I'm about to teach you. So if you're brand new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, because right now I'm uploading videos on a daily basis teaching you how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And go ahead and give me a like if you're super excited. And with that being said, let's go ahead and dive straight into the content. So affiliate marketing for beginners, how to earn while you learn. And this is a philosophy I've been following since the beginning of my internet marketing career, and it's made a huge difference. And in the last video, I explained 3 steps. I explained that you need to pick one business model, you need to pick one strategy, and you need to use that strategy to build a business around. Number 3, I actually left out. And I did that for a reason, because I really wanted to cover it comprehensively within this video. So what most people are doing out there is they're spinning their wheels trying to figure out what niche to go into. And I dealt with this same exact issue, and it took me years. It took me literally years to finally pick a niche, okay? And the problem with most people is they don't know what to go into. They don't think that they're an expert in a certain area, even though they might be. And so they end up quitting maybe affiliate marketing and trying something else and doing that for a while, and then just creating excuse after excuse after excuse. So once I learned about this success triangle, that's when really everything changed. And I was, really able to focus deeply, in one niche and in one specific strategy and learn one skill set. And it truly, really changed my life. So I'm really excited to share this specific process with you guys today. I'm going to show you guys a couple scenarios of what you can sort of go through to build a successful affiliate marketing business. Okay, so number 1, what we want to do within this triangle is we want to learn a skill set. Okay, so in my instance, the skill set was SEO. And the reason why I picked SEO was because in my early 20s, I went out to Chicago and I did door-to-door sales. And this is when I was kind of getting my feet wet in affiliate marketing and online marketing in general. And I had the ability to, I guess, always have my mind open to new opportunities and new and better ways of doing things. Like, I knew it existed out there in the universe. I just didn't know how to find it, with all the information online and all the information, in the world. It's like you think something's out there, you hope that it's out there, you believe that it's out there, and that's what I believed. I believed that there was a better way of doing business than what I was doing. And what I was doing is I was again, out in Chicago knocking doors, selling alarm systems, doing door-to-door sales. That's very much a numbers game, right? It's, the law of averages begin to work out as you become better at sales. But I've always sort of sucked at sales. I've been better at building relationships and giving value, and that's really why people buy from me. And so this wasn't a good fit for me, because I knew that I would knock 100 doors, I'd get a number of sales, but my idea was I wanted to target somebody that was in a great amount of pain that really needed my product or service. For example, somebody that just had a break-in, because I sold alarm systems, would, react differently to my offer than somebody that never had a break-in, right? And so what I wanted to do was find the people that had break-ins. Well, that's not how the company ran things. They just said, hey, go out there and use this pitch, knock as much doors as you can, and you'll, eventually get one. And so, that's kind of when I got online. And so there was some conflict, because I started learning about, attraction marketing and being able to attract your ideal client. And, and I was out here doing this knocking door thing, which didn't have anything to do with attraction marketing. I was putting myself in a very vulnerable situation, and people are just getting home from work and it's 5 o'clock. I'm knocking on their door, and the last thing they want to do is be solicited to, right? And so after about a month, I ended up quitting. I came back home, and that's when I really dove in deep with online marketing, I discovered search engine optimization. And basically, it's the ability to rank websites or rank videos at the top of the search engines for specific search phrases that people are typing into the search engine. And I'm like, this is cool because people are actually typing in their problems and all I need to do is give it to them, right? So talk about finding your perfect buyer. And that's really why I loved SEO. I'm like, okay, I found my niche. I found my thing, right? And so once I figured that out, it was sort of a process, and hopefully that, story can help you figure out your niche a lot faster. And I'm going to tell you actually the niche that you should go into. I think you should do SEO. Now, I don't know if you're going to be as passionate as I am, but what better way to make money online than to earn while you learn, right? Because you're going to have to learn marketing anyways if you're going to promote a product or service, in the weight loss niche. If you're a coach, if you're a consultant, if you do some sort of services or provide some sort of info products or even physical e-commerce store, you need to know how to market, right? So in the beginning stages, you're either going to go out there, you're going to buy an SEO course, you're going to buy a Facebook ads course, you're going to go through it. You might get through it through weeks or months, but it's going to take some time. And then after that, you're going to have the ability to finally make money and really start generating content within that specific niche. But what if you could create content on what you're learning and actually profit from that, right? So the idea here is not to figure out necessarily a niche to go into, because it's going to take a lot of time to learn the marketing skill sets and then to finally make money. Why not learn marketing, which is what you're going to essentially need to learn anyways, and make money as you're learning marketing, and then use those skill sets to also create another income stream in the actual niche that you're like truly, truly passionate about. So if you're confused as to what niche you should go into, you should listen very closely to this video. So what I did is I learned a skill set. I learned SEO. And then I picked a business model / niche. I picked affiliate marketing. That's sort of the niche that I went into. And specifically, this is an example. This isn't actually what I did right here. This is just a hypothetical situation. If you do, learn SEO, this is something that I could do in the future. The second sort of case study, I'll show you what I actually did. But in this case, you could do lead generation offers for small businesses. So you generate leads for them. They pay you cost per acquisition. So for example, if you get an email address, you get a phone number from them or for them, then you'll get, $5 or $10, because they know that on the back end, when they call these people up, they can sell them into like high ticket programs. So they're willing to pay you on the front end as the lead generation expert. So you can rank websites at the top of, Google, and rank videos at the top of YouTube. And you can generate leads from those mediums. And then once you generate leads, they will pay you to generate those leads. So it's really being an SEO expert in the affiliate marketing niche, because you're promoting somebody else's stuff and you're, getting a commission off of that. In this case, you're getting a CPA, which would be, cost per acquisition, which doesn't necessarily mean people need to buy something. They just fill out information, you get paid for it. And so that's really cool. You could do that and earn while you learn. So you're learning SEO, and then you're going out there and you're testing those skill sets that you're learning in the real world. So you rank a website, your first, second, third website. You start generating some leads and you're making some money that way. And then at the same time, guess what you're doing? You're not only generating leads out there in the field, but you're now teaching other people the results that you're getting as you're generating leads out in the field. So in this case, you would have one YouTube channel or even one website, depending on if you're ranking websites or videos. And that would be sort of the case studies, sort of the implementation of what you're learning. And then you're taking the results from that case study and you're documenting those results on another YouTube channel, which would be like a branded YouTube channel. So to show you this process, what you would do is you would learn a skill set, SEO. You would pick a specific business model and a niche, so affiliate marketing and specifically lead generation offers for small businesses. And then you would implement the skill set by getting leads for small businesses. And then once you create that result, you take that result and you would teach it, or you would document it on your own like branded YouTube channel. Okay, so let me show you exactly how I did this in action. So again, you're going to have one channel for implementation, one channel for results. So the idea here, again, learn a skill set, SEO, pick a niche, and a business model, affiliate marketing. In my case, what I started doing was I started doing internet marketing product reviews. Why did I do internet marketing product reviews? Well, I had failed in the industry for 4 years, almost 5 years, and I had bought a lot of products, and I started having a little bit of success. I'm like, okay, what can I teach up to this point? Well, I can teach people what products to stay away from to save their pocketbook and what products to actually purchase. And I could actually make money doing that. So what did I do? I went out and I created this YouTube channel, amongst many others, by the way. There was like hundreds of different YouTube channels I had because there was a strategy that was working really well to rank videos. It doesn't work as well today. But you guys can see that this full channel, generates, a few $1,000s per month. When I first got started, it was generating like right around 10,000 plus because I was really going heavy on doing internet marketing product reviews, generating right around $10,000 a month. And then now, of course, my focus is a little bit different, coaching you guys. But you can see 4 years ago, I got started, and you'll notice none of these videos have a ton of views, but they're super, super targeted videos where people have buyer intent. They've got credit card in hand because they're looking at a product before, deciding to buy it. They're like on the edge of their seat, ready to buy. I've just got to get on video and either convince them or say no, and just be, true and authentic. So what I did is I got results from this specific channel, and then I started documenting the results on my primary YouTube channel, the channel that you're on right now. And you can see if you go back quite a ways, you can see, I think in the beginning of, January or February, I started really documenting these sort of results because I really finally understood this concept. So that's what I would urge you to do. If you're somebody that's like, I have no idea what niche to go into, I don't know what I'm good at, like I was, I had some experience in baseball and pitching, and my parents paid thousands of dollars to get a personal coach for me, and so I knew a lot about that, but I wasn't at a place where I felt like I was an expert. And it was like, I couldn't go back and start over and kind of document. I guess I could do that, but it'd be a little bit more difficult. Where when you're learning a new trade, I don't care if it's golf or baseball or, sports or real estate or whatever it is, you can apply this methodology, you can apply this formula to your life and start generating results as you're learning. Okay? So the idea is learn a skill set, find a product out there that will teach you the specific skill set. You purchase that product, be willing to invest in yourself, okay? Learn everything you can about that skill set, because it's not learning about, this ambiguous, stuff that isn't high paying. Like that's often what a lot of gurus do, is they put you through this cycle of learn this one day, learn this another day, learn that the day after, and you become a jackass of all trades. You spread yourself thin. You never learn anything. And so you're like, who am I? You can't even identify yourself. Your identity is like, who am I? I have no idea who I am. And so you've got to laser focus in on one skill set, use that skill set in a specific business model to build a business around. So in SEO, again, it could be affiliate marketing and generating leads for specific clients. It could be, again, SEO and doing agency work, not necessarily generating leads, but you can actually go to actual business owners instead of going through like an affiliate network. You can contact them directly and have them pay you as an agency. So that's a little bit different than just sending, businesses leads. So let me just show you real quick what that looks like. Kind of what I'm trying to explain to you here. So if I type in like lead generation here in Offer Vault, let's see if anything pulls up. Actually, you know what? We can even just look right here. Let's see this pay per call. That's kind of what I'm looking at. But anyways, we already typed this in. So like this solar energy, these solar panels that it looks like this company installs, if you just generate leads for them, okay, if you just send people to this website here. So for example, if you are learning search engine optimization, what would somebody type into Google or YouTube that's looking to get solar? And what you would do is you create a website around what they would be looking for, and you would optimize that website to rank. And once it's ranking, it's getting traffic to that website. And then on the website, you'd have like links and maybe banners that would lead people to this specific page here. Okay, so this is an example of lead generation. You don't actually have to personally contact the business owner. What these guys do is they get the leads from you and they will sell those leads to the business owner. So it kind of takes you out of the equation. Or you could be that person that actually sells the leads to the business owner. If you want to personally, you want to contact them, it's really easy to do. You'd get results for them first anyways, and then you'd say, hey, you like the results, would you like to pay me for it? That's one way. Instead of like cold calling, you just generate results for them ahead of time. But you can see if we were to just, kind of be the person that didn't contact the business owner and just sent leads to a page like this, you get $35. So it's a difference of $35 versus probably like a few $1,000s. If you were willing to do the legwork and actually contact these business owners, you get paid a lot more per lead, especially if you understand how much this lead is worth, a qualified lead, to a solar company. And then what you could do is take maybe like 40, 50%, take half of what they would make. I'm just kind of throwing numbers out there. Something you could figure out for yourself, definitely. I just want to give you guys a bunch of ideas. But that's really the process. That's how it would work. So I really hope you got value from this video. I really hope that you can go out there now and eliminate the overwhelm, eliminate the self-doubt, and just earn while you learn. Pick a strategy you can absolutely master. Learn everything about it. Put the blinders on. Don't opt into any other pages or don't look at any other ways of making money online, because regardless if you're in e-commerce, regardless if you're a real estate agent, regardless of if you're doing agency work or consulting, all these different opportunities out there, buying and selling domains, regardless of what you're doing, you need to know marketing. You need to have a skill set in marketing. You can't avoid this. So why not learn marketing first, master a skill set, build a business around that, and then eventually go build a business around maybe something else. So with that said, this is Josh Elder signing off. If you got value from this video, let me know in the comments below. Like this video too. And also, if you want to learn how to build an affiliate marketing business, if you want to learn how to master one skill set, I urge you to check out my top recommended system below. And we will see you guys in the next video. Go ahead and check out those links in the description. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.